Hello everyone, Charlie here, and in this video I'm going to cover how to download the file pack. Alright, so if you go to slicktrade.net, members, and expert advisors and auto traders, right here, there's a couple steps you want to make sure that you do so that the file pack does work in your MetaTrader 4, and that is send in a support ticket. You can click here and it'll take you right over to the support ticket section. Go ahead and just copy the subject, alright, and send that in. And in the body of the message, please give your username for SlickTrade that you used to log in, and your MetaTrader 4 account number, okay? Right in the upper left-hand corner of your MetaTrader 4 is where you'll see that account number, okay? So, for this MetaTrader 4, right here is the number that I would send in, okay? So, that will tell support to go ahead and put that into our EA manager, and then you'll be able to use all of the files that are included in the file pack. Alright, to download the file pack, you're just going to click this link right here, and then if you have questions about the features that are in the inputs of each EA indicator, things like that, this is just a nice little document that explains those features. Okay, so right there you'll click download, you want to save that, and then depending on what browser you're using, you'll have a download area. Alright, mine is right up there. So you'll just go ahead and grab that. You can go ahead and open the folder, and you will right click that file pack because it's a zipped folder, okay, if you're not familiar with that. So you'll right click and then you'll go extract all. Okay? And then you'll extract here. It may take a minute depending on your connection, your computer, different things like that. Okay. I already had this folder, so it's just asking if I want to overwrite. Yours probably won't say that unless if you've already downloaded it as well. But for most of you, you'll just be downloading it for the first time. Alright, and right here, you'll have your folder, and as you can see, it's not zipped. It doesn't have that little zipper icon over the folder, okay? So you'll open that up, and right here are all the folders that you have in MetaTrader 4, and in my next video I will cover how to install each of those into your MetaTrader 4. You guys have a good one.